All right, today I'm taking a look at the plastic scraper blade set. So it actually comes with 3 scraper blades, which is great. So you can use one and hand out 2 more to other people, or you can just have a bunch of these and you can kind of put them around the house. And they do come with the blade attached. And if you ever want to pop that out, you just pull it and then it comes right out. So you can kind of see it sits in there and then drops in. So as long as you're pressing down from this side, then that blade will stay in. If you flip it on the other side, it will just pop that blade out. So that is a ton of replacement blades. So this thing's gonna last a long time. And on top of that, each one of these can be rotated around. So there's 2 edges per blade and just a ton of blades. So if you have a lot of work to do, this is just gonna last a long time. But yeah, these things are great. If you wanna work on something that you're worried about damaging, so like if you wanna work with aluminum or something like that, or a steel blade and scratch it up, or if you wanna work on like the paint of your car even to take the tar and bugs off and you don't wanna be ripping your fingernail off, these things are fantastic for that. So yeah, that is a pretty awesome set.